So these are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the U.S. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing the frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Phillips Hill conducted a study on these mistakes and the lawsuits that followed. The data in the file, wrong site, wrong patient, located at the data page on the online textbook, represent the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals have been required to pay. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that hospital won the lawyer. So find the mean amount hospitals had to pay. Round your answer to the nearest dollar.
So he's got the worksheet up.
He's got it pulled up. Sweet.
Yeah. So we gotta find the mean.
Well, we just have to find the average and then
Yeah.
the
We've done all our things in the other one,
so
just copy and paste.
just wrong site, not necessarily wrong patient. So you have your two columns on that.
Yeah.
The wrong site and the wrong patient.
Oh, it's only wrong site?
Yeah.
I'm just creating information fast.
That's alright.
You can't delete part of the...
I don't have to, my thing doesn't delete. When I press the delete button, it's a backspace. Which is weird.
Holy cow. Have you seen how big that
There's
list
like
is?
a shortcut key to get to the bottom. I forget what it is. 411. Who cares?
Okay, what did you get for your standard deviation?
Hold on. I'm still entering the information. It takes forever to get down to the bottom. I don't know if it's shortcut either. It's like 400 and...
I was gonna say mine went to 412.
Yeah.
So I was able to just
So what is the number he needs? Because I got 7-1.
Okay, so the mean, so the first number 3 is the mean.
Okay.
So what did you get for the average?
80,041.24331.
Okay, so that's what I got. We're rounding to the nearest whole dollar, so it'd be 80,041. So
Yeah.
and then 800,000. So there's just 2 zeros.
Okay, and now we need the standard deviation.
So standard deviation, did you get 71,404?
403.8.
Well, you're rounding up.
400. I'm just
So 71,404.
Yeah.
71,404. Okay. Hepatic angiospermal is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. The study was conducted on 4, so only 4, represents the travel time and month. Use this information. So what is the median? So the median would be your middle one. It's all put together, right?
Yeah, so when
be-
you put it in the line, it's 1, 3, 5, 19.
So it'd be halfway between 3 and 5, so it'd be 4 months.
That's what it
Would be your median, right?
Yeah.
So your answer to the nearest 10. So standard deviation 5, 19, 1, and 3. 5, 19, 1, and 3. Do you have the standard deviation?
months. So I was still answering the last 2 questions.
Oh, my
I
bad.
typed them in. It's okay. Survival time months 5, 19, 1, and 3.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
it'd be,
nearest 10.
The median would be the middle.
yeah, so it's right between 3 and 5, so it's,
Okay.
and then the last one, he just plugs it into his,
Yeah. Full median. Yeah. Okay,
Alright.
and so standard deviation of that, and it said round to the nearest tenth. So 8.2 months.
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Which I don't know why you round down to the 10th. Like that just doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so now we're going back to the wrong patient.
Okay.
Oh.
So now you need the first number of the 5-number summary.
What is that?
So your 5 number summary is like with your box plot, where you have, so your first number is going to be your farthest standard deviation. You have your middle, which is going to be your median, and then one standard deviation is going to be your second and third number, and then your first number and last.
So we have to find the median, which we have.
Well, these are so your wrong patient ones.
So wait, okay,
So we did
we need
wrong site. So now
okay,
we got to
so
go back
do
and do wrong patient.
find the median, and then standard deviation.
Yeah.
To
So we're gonna
each
go.
way.
So we're gonna go 2 this way. That'd give us the first number, and then 1. So I guess if we go 1, 2, that gives us 8 and 7, because 8 is your second number,
Yeah.
and then 9 would be going the other way from the median.
Oh, okay.
Your
The
third-
5 number
your-
summary
Your
is
third
the
number is the median, and the
Yeah. So your
So
fourth number is
standard-
going to be 1 deviation over. So we're going to change this to B.
Is this the 5 number thing?
No. No. So standard deviation is basically it's like the average
Yeah.
of how far
So
they're
do you have a piece of
apart.
paper? I can draw it and describe it better than I can talking about it.
I think that it's at the bottom of the thing. I think.
Okay, and we need the median.
We need the mean because that's the very
The
center.
mean.
No, we need the median. You're right.
That means center means the average.
I love Excel when you know how to use it.
When you know how to use it, it's dope. You don't.
Okay, so your median on your.
5 number summary.
Oh no, I don't want the plus. Get that out of there.
Like that seems really bad.
There we go. Okay, so 18882 minus.
Is that the standard deviation?
So this is your standard deviation.
Okay.
This is your medians.
And just change that with it.
Sorry, yeah.
And
986.7.
Okay. So the box plot thing. There's something to do it on Excel.
Minus.
The thing is not.
Okay, so this is going to be 2 numbers away. This is going to be your first one on your box plot. Negative.
So
Oh,
did you
does
do
it
that
start
then?
at the bottom and you go up?
How did I do it?
Yeah. Sorry, I was
Okay.
reading the thing.
So with your box plot, you have
Half
these
different.
basically, so we're going to just use like these 5 cells. So this one is going to be your mean, so or your median, your middle number. So that's going to be your first number, or I guess your third number technically.
Yeah.
And then your standard deviation. So your first 2 numbers, or your second number is going to be 1 standard deviation below that.
Okay.
And then your first number is going to be 2 standard deviations below it.
Okay.
So what I did is I took the median minus the standard deviation to go 1 this way. And then I took it and minused it again to get that first number.
Okay.
And then to get these,
the other way you add.
yeah, to get your 4th and 5th number, you add the standard deviation to it.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
And so that's what basically setting it up in Excel and getting your box plot. It's going to give you those 5 numbers, where I just did it on the math.
Okay, that makes sense. So then you subtract the standard deviation. and
Yeah.
add it. Okay.
Give a number rounded to the nearest cent. So that'd be 2 decimal spots.
Yeah.
So let's do this. And where is Alright, so I guess that is it. There's
So you
no
subtract
more.
it twice to get the first number, once to get the second number,
Oh, there we go.
then
Yeah.
subtract it all to get the third. Is that correct?
You gotta-
What'd you get for your standard deviation for the wrong patient? Just making sure. 0, 5, 9, 8, 6. Okay, that's what I got. This is what I got for the 5 numbers.
Okay, so negative 19, 3091.36. Yeah. Negative
We need
87.
two decimal places.
Yeah, so you're going to need 2 decimal places on all of them.
Okay.
Okay, cool. We got it. So the first number is negative 19,000. No, 193,000.
Let me make it so it's easier
But yeah.
to not to know.
So that's it. You can don't pull it up and put it here.
Yeah. Okay, so the first number,
193.
negative 193,
091.
091.26. The second number,
87.
negative 87,
1,004.
0.68.
Yep.
And the fourth number,
124. 868.
868.68.
Yeah. Okay. This one didn't have a place.
There.
Minus 27, minus 27, plus 27, plus 27. So the first number is second number. That makes sense now. The reading didn't make a lot of sense there. Fourth number. Was it asked for the fifth or no?
No. Because if you got those three right, you get the. Yeah, you should be able to get the fifth one.
Yeah. I just didn't ask for the fifth.
No. The next one goes to Redbox, an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent, based on the following box plot. Okay, so what is the Redbox description? It's so one, two, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3 right here.
Yeah, 100 to 150.
I'd say about
Yeah, I give you like
Yeah,
75.
I'd say closer to 175.
Well, maybe it looks like 103 to 175.
the third quarter.
But
I
so
don't know.
would this line be your third quartile though? Because you have 1, 2, 3.
4, no, so it'd be, because if the top,
Q3 median or Q1
yeah,
median, Q3 is the top.
yeah, so
Okay.
it goes from here to here.
But they're just looking for this number though,
So
right?
it'd be about
Oh, is that what it is?
one.
Because it's asking for the third quartile, but
Yeah.
so this is the third quarter, but the third quartile would be that top,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, it's very, very
So
top.
like 175, 180.
I'd probably say
I'm really
180.
I was gonna say it just says give a number. I mean,
He's probably got a
a weight or range.
yeah, because I can't imagine everyone's gonna
It's
guess
really
exactly
ridiculous.
what he had.
I guess 125.
I think 180 is what
Okay,
it'd
well,
be,
I'm
though.
good.
Just because it looks like it's
That seems so.
yeah.
It's tough to call.
What is the
Long?
longest observed time of the customers in this study?
710, 705.
Would that be the longest observed time, or is that's a
Well,
total amount of
I was
time?
gonna say the top one would be the longest, though, right?
Wouldn't that be from the core Q3 to the very end?
Well, wouldn't it just be your top line?
Well,
Because that's gonna be.
That'd be the total time, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
The longest observed time would be that
No, but
last.
that could. I think it would be the top mark
Because it's just asking about the longest observed time that the red box
so
customer took in the
that's
survey.
like this is like an outlier. The maximum is like an outlier. So it's like
Okay.
someone did take that long.
Okay, yeah,
But-
that makes sense then. I wasn't even. So yeah,
That's
like
like-
7:10, 7:20, 7:10.
7:10. This could be fun with like 7-11. All
What
right.
is the value
Of the mean?
of the average? So,
Well, you're not going to be able to determine it because you don't know exactly how many people. You can find the median and everything, but
yeah.
you can't find
Well, because it shows the median, but they don't go. They don't give individual.
exactly. You don't know
Hash
how many
marks or-
people
Yeah.
fall in between each one. You don't know how many people.
No,
were
look at
studied.
the thing again. I think the mean is that is in the middle.
No, the middle is
The
median.
median is in the middle.
The mean
because
is
your
the
mean is your
average.
average.
So
You
you
don't
need to
know,
have. You need to know how many there are, so you can divide it by that. You don't know how many there are.
so it can't be determined.
So
Correct?
yeah. Can't be
Okay.
determined.
So let's go over this again.
Okay, so top two were good. This one we did those calculations.
So number 3, you got 80,041.
Yeah. Let me open my Excel thing.
Okay.
Yeah. 80,041.
Okay. 471,404.
Hold on, I'm
Oh
trying
my
the numbers.
goodness.
Three of the numbers. Calm down.
71,404.
Yeah.
Okay. 5, you got 4.
5. Sorry, I was
You're good.
on the Excel spreadsheet.
You're good.
Yes, I got 4.
Okay, and then 8.2.
Yes.
Okay. Negative 19,3091.36.
193,091 is what I got.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
0.36.
Yep.
Okay, negative 87,104.68.
Yep.
Okay, 1248.68. 68.
124,868.
Yes,
That's how my brain thinks.
you're good. And then about 180.
Yeah, I guess.
And then
that's
about
correct.
Can you add an ish in there?
And then about 710.
Yeah.
And then can't be determined. Yep. Okay,
Alright.
I'm going to submit it.
Alright.
See what